Welcome back to My Gym Japan. I'm Rishi.
And I'm Farah.
And today, guys, we have some fun games
and challenges in the animal kingdom.
You guys ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. Hey, everyone. Welcome back. Whoa! All the tigers got out. How many tigers can you guys count? That's right. There are 5 tigers. But how many big tigers do you see? How many big tigers? That's right, there are 3 of them. And how about itty bitty tiny tigers? How many little tigers? Perfect, there are 2. Very nice. Guys, let's say bye-bye, tigers. They gotta go to sleep. Oh, we got the hippos joining us. Hippo party, let's go. But how many hippos are there? How many hippos? That's right, there are 8. Very nice job. That's a lot of hippos. But how many big hippos are there? Let's count. Very nice, 2 big hippos. And how about little hippos? How many little friends did they bring? Very nice, 6 hippos. Thanks for helping me count them. Let's say bye-bye, hippos. Yeah, get out of here, guys. Hey, let's go check in with Farah for our next game. Here we go.
Ready for your next challenge? Now, I'm going to hit this button and we're going to listen and guess the animal. Are you ready? Let's do it. What animal is that? That's right, it's a tiger. Roar! Ready for the next one? What animal makes that sound? Wonderful, it's a monkey. Ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Let's hit the final button. What animal makes that sound? Great! It's a snake. Wonderful job, everyone. We managed to guess all of the sounds.
All right, everyone. I invited some animal friends to help us with a quick game. Do you know what animal this is? It's got a big nose and big ears. That's right, it's an elephant. Very nice job. Let's take a look at the next animal. Ooh, it's got a long neck. What do you think? Perfect, it's a giraffe. All right, let's see the third one. Oh no, this is a hard one. It's got 2 arms and 2 legs. What could it be? Amazing, it's a monkey. Very nice job. The last one is the hardest one. What is it? It's got little ears, short legs, and a big round body. Do you know what it is? Perfect, it's a hippo. Excellent job, everyone. Let's go check in with Farah. I think she has another fun game for us. Let's go.
For our final challenge, we're gonna play a really fun game. Oh, look who's here. Hi, Mr. Snake. Mr. Snake loves to play hide and seek. Would you like to join us? Help me find him. Are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Did you see where Mr. Snake went? Oh, behind the triangle. We found you, Mr. Snake. Let's do it one more time. 3, 2, 1. Where did he go this time? Behind the square? we found you again! Oh, you want to play a final round? Of course! Let's do it! 3, 2, 1. Where did he go this time? Behind the circle? Oh, Mr. Snake, that was easy! Great job, everyone! We had a lot of fun playing hide and seek with you. Now, let's go find Rishi!
Thank you for joining us on our adventure at my gym today.
Rishi, did you have fun?
I had a blast. Guys, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Bye, everyone!
Bye, everyone!